Hey everyone, you're staying with Brothers Junk Removal here. Today we're going to be removing a fridge, a stove, and a oven. Are you remodeling on your home or on a project and you need to get rid of the old to come in with the new? Well, you can check us out online. Our website is brothersjunkremovalservice.com. That is what we're doing today. So we are going to be helping out a repeat customer of ours today in Santa Rosa, California, zip code 95403, to remove a oven, a dishwasher, and a stove. We are pretty much ready to go, so we're gonna head over to the job right now, and I'm gonna take you guys with me. All right, guys, so last time we helped out this customer was 3 months ago. We were helping him out clear out some renovation debris, and here we are once again gonna help him out with the same thing. So he's been at this renovation project for a couple months now. Last time we removed some carpet and some wood and drywall. Today we're just going to be removing some old appliances. Alright guys, I was not able to record loading up the oven and the stove and dishwasher, but we are headed over to recycle everything in the trailer, and when I get over there I'll park and show you guys everything I removed. So the oven was extremely heavy. I was not expecting it to be that heavy. Thankfully I had my dolly with me, like I always do, prepared, so it wasn't too bad, but it was very heavy. Definitely did not expect that. Dishwasher and the rest was light work. Got my hands a little bit dirty, but the customer was very happy. He told us that he recommended us to a couple of people over in Petaluma, California. So super stoked about that. Always happy if the customer's happy, and if they're recommending us, then they're happy. So I'm on the way now to recycle everything I got in the trailer. I'll show you guys everything that's back there when I get over there, and then I'll show you guys the process of recycling everything as well. Hey guys, so we are here where we're going to recycle the metal. This is what I removed: a oven, super heavy oven, the dishwasher right there, and then this stove top. Back there I have a mini fridge and then a regular size fridge from a different job. All right. Okay, just dropped off the dishwasher, stove, and oven. Now we're gonna go drop off the mini fridge and the fridge over here where all the other fridges are at and free on appliances are at. This should do it. Mini fridge is out. Now we just got the big fridge. Let her drop, let her. Perfect. And just like that, we're done here. We recycled all the appliances, the Freon appliances. We're in Windsor, California right now. We picked that stuff up in Santa Rosa, California, and we recycled it in Windsor, California. But we also service Windsor, California, and all of Sonoma County, California.